Summer is almost here. And if you're a parent like me, you may not believe that summer is right around the corner. But for many parents of struggling readers, it can be a time of worry. You want to make sure that your child doesn't fall behind, but you also want them to have fun and enjoy the break from school. That's where summer reading programs come in. Summer reading programs offer a great opportunity for struggling readers to improve their skills, build confidence, and discover that joy and love for reading that we all want for them. But with so many programs out there, how do you decide which one is right for your child? Well, today I am going to give you 5 tips of different ways that you can find and identify the right summer reading program for your child. Hi, my name is Alexa Imwalle. I am the owner and founder of Smart Start Tutors, an academic enrichment and support program for students who are struggling readers. Tip number 1, talk to your child's teacher. Your child's teacher has just spent the last 10 or so months with your child, getting to know them, getting to know their learning style, and they know your child and their strengths and their areas for improvement very well. Sometimes even your child's teacher or your child's teacher that they will have in the fall will be able to offer you some suggestions of books or even give you some summer reading assignments that will help your child enjoy reading over the summer and also set them up for success in the next school year. Tip number 2, check with your local library. Many libraries offer summer reading programs for children of all ages and reading levels. These programs are often free and provide a great opportunity for children to interact with other children, with books, and with librarians. Oftentimes, they also give incentives and rewards for children who read and complete the assignments and the books that are suggested and as a part of their program. Step number 3, look for online programs. Many online programs offer interactive and engaging activities that can help your struggling reader improve their skills. Some programs even offer personalized learning plans that are tailored to your specific child's needs. Just make sure to choose a reputable program, and you should be able to have your child working their way to closing the reading gap in no time, or just reading for the fun of it. Tip number 4, consider private tutoring. Private tutoring can be and is often an investment, not only of the child's energy and your time, but of your resources. However, that one-on-one support and individualized attention that your child will receive through tutoring can make all of the difference for them. And they can make significant progress that they might not be able to make in other summer reading programs. Look for a tutor who specializes in reading instruction and has experience working with struggling readers and has proven track record of getting students results. Tip number 5, check with local nonprofits. Many local nonprofits actually offer summer reading programs for children in the community. These programs are often free or are offered at a very low cost. They can provide a great opportunity for your child to connect with other children and receive support from professional and trained volunteers. By participating in a summer reading program, your child will not only improve their reading skills, but they will discover a joy of reading, of how to connect with other kids over books, and how to find the fun in reading. So don't let the summer slide hinder your child's academic performance this summer or set them back for the next school year ahead. Give them the gift of reading and find a summer reading program that is perfect for your child by using the tips that I have talked about today. I hope this was helpful for you. And if I can be of further support, please don't hesitate to reach out. My website is smartstarttutors.com, and I would love to help your child find the right reading program for them this summer. Happy reading.